Do you want to recover deleted photos on Instagram? You can restore recently deleted pictures from Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to recover deleted photos in Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Recovering deleted photos on Instagram is the process of restoring images that were previously deleted from your Instagram account. This feature allows you to retrieve photos or videos you have accidentally deleted or decided to remove in the last 30 days, but now wish to have back in your profile. To recover deleted photos on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device or access Instagram on your computer through a web browser. Once you're in the Instagram app, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down the menu options and select Your Activity. In the Your Activity section, scroll further down until you find the Removed and Archived Content category. Tap on Recently Deleted. This will bring up a list of all the photos and videos you've deleted within the last 30 days. Locate the photo you want to recover from the list. Once you've found it, tap on the photo to view it in full screen. After selecting the photo, tap on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, tap on Restore. Tap on Restore again to confirm. By following these simple steps, you will successfully recover the deleted photo and restore it to your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.